Had a breakdown. Got the old rig, got the recovery rig on deck. Hey everybody, sorry about not filming the whole thing, and also sorry about the audio. I'm doing this on the old phone, but had a breakdown. Got the old rig, got the recovery rig on deck. Everything went really smooth, but I had the oil filler neck came loose on me and just blew oil all over everything. It looked like I leaked like 4 quarts, but you know, it definitely doesn't have that much oil in it. But it got all the way up front. The oil filler neck is located behind this cover, which I will detail how I'm gonna fix it and everything like that. But yeah, so we've made it this far. Got about 200 miles on it before the final breakdown. I'll keep you updated and I'll film how I fix it. So I got it back to the shop. Started taking it apart. I figured I knew it was wrong, and the snap clamp that kind of went around that bottom portion there of the oil fill line there, it broke off and it came loose. I removed this, I loosened the heat shield, and so I could pull this cover off without removing the exhaust. It's kind of hard to do, but if you just grab a hold on it and yank it off there, it'll come right off. And I know that's not the right way to do it, but I did it this way because I try to work on this bike like I'm working on it on the side of the road. And I'm not taking this exhaust off on the side of the road. I don't care what damage I do to that cover. So in the future, I'm actually thinking about a way to modify it so it'll come off a little easier, so I can get to the electrical components that are actually back there as well. But yeah, so if you can see the oil on this thing, it is just soaked. It really just got over everything, all the way up front. Yeah, all the way to the back, the saddlebags, the whole thing. So yeah, so I put a new clamp on there. I can't even yank it off. I'm gonna reroute the breather tube just so I can be a little more visible instead of under the seat there, and hopefully that'll keep it from popping off. The only other update I have is in talking to Excelsior Henderson of the Atlantic Excelsior Henderson crew over there. I still having a high idle, so I'm gonna get this fixed, take it out for a ride, make sure nothing explodes, and then we'll get with them and we'll see what's up. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. Alright everybody, here's kind of the redemption. I got it all back together. Put the new pipe clamp on there, got everything cleaned off as best as I could. Obviously there's still a long way to go with the cleaning. I think it's gonna be years before I wash all this off. But yeah, so it ran fine all the way down from Julian, and we're about to head back up and see if it deserves a brake fluid bleeding.